Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be doing some Cajun shrimp and rice, and for this recipe I'll be using colossal shrimp. In here I have my blend of spices, which is onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, red pepper flakes, and some Italian seasoning. And back here I have some salt and pepper. Let's get to seasoning. So the first thing we're going to do is mix these seasonings together. Okay, and I'm just going to pour some of this onto the shrimp. Just about half. Then I'm going to go in with my black pepper. And my sea salt. And then we're going to mix it all together. And also, when cleaning your shrimp, there's also a vein under here that you guys should be taking out. And we're gonna go on over to the stove to complete the cooking. So I already had a tablespoon of olive oil in here. I just put in a tablespoon of butter. So now we're gonna start adding the shrimp. Here it is, all seasoned. And we're gonna cook it for 1 minute on each side because it has to go back into the rice. So that's why I'm cooking it for 1 minute. Time to flip. And time to remove them. Okay, place them to a side. I'm going to add a little more olive oil. I'm going to start going in with our garlic and onion. Next, I'm going to add some green onions, followed by some bell peppers. And the rest of that Cajun seasoning. Also have some tomato paste. Just gonna add just about a tablespoon, sorry. And also some chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth if that's what you have. And I'm also going to be adding a bay leaf to this. Let it simmer for a bit, and then I'm going to go in with my washed rice. Okay, I washed my rice. I let it go for like 2 minutes so it gets that beautiful color, and then I'm gonna go in with more of that chicken broth. Okay, so it absorbed that color, and now I'm going in with more of that chicken broth. Now before I cover it up, I'm going to put in some black pepper. I also tasted for salt, and I'm adding just about half of a teaspoon. I am going to cover this up with some foil, put a cover on there, and allow it to boil for the next 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes maximum. See how beautiful this is looking? So I'm gonna go back in with my shrimp. And just that residual heat alone is going to finish cooking. My stove is off. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and let me know if you try my recipe. Thank you for stopping by, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.